welcome to my YouTube channel, BerryJoongie. I got a lot of requests from you guys asking how I edit and create my videos, so in this video I will briefly show you how I edit my videos. The first thing I do when I create an Imagine video is I think of who it will be about and the plot of the story. I mostly get inspiration from you guys and your comments on each of my videos. I always want to make a video that you guys want to see, so thank you for always commenting on new ideas for me. It really helps me out. So for this video, I'll be editing about Hongjoong from ATEEZ, and the plot of the story is he is your boyfriend. If you want to see the finished product of this video, you can click on the link at the end of this video. So let's get started! When editing, I always like to make sure I edit on days I know I won't be interrupted. The editor I use is called ⴛhyᴘɪᴏᴏᴏ. This is not a sponsor. I edit all my videos by myself, so this is just the way I edit, but edit the way you most feel comfortable. If you take any techniques from this video, I would appreciate it if you give me a shout out. Thank you. Okay, now starting the editing process. The first thing I do is find clips that I can use in this video. YouTube and VLive are where I get most of my clips from. Always beware of copyright though. I usually look for clips that are mostly in Korean and that don't have much English in them because it makes it more realistic, but I do have to say every time I do these videos I learn a new Korean word and sentence every time, so it gets harder and harder. Now that I have my clips, I'm bringing them into my editor and begin editing. I don't think much when writing the fake subtitles, I just let my brain do all the work.
1 hour later.